Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to reverse money from Capital Tech. So let's start. Well, firstly you have to have an account on Capital Tech and also verify your account. When you do it, well, you can follow these steps that I will share with you, and surely with this you will do it. So the first step is open the Capital Tech app. Launch the Capital Tech mobile banking app on your phone and log in into your account. So when you do it, you will connect to Capital Tech. So next is go to Transact. Tap on the Transact option from the main menu. You will find it maybe in the right corner. So then select Debit Orders. Click on Debit Orders and enter your remote PIN. So you have to have your PIN for doing this step. So the next one is find the transaction. Look for the transaction that you want to reverse in your transaction history and then provide a reason. That's step number 5. Select the transaction and provide a reason for reversing the money. The number 6 is accept terms and conditions. Review and accept the terms and conditions and then just click on submit. With this, you will finalize the reversal request. So that these are the steps to reverse money in Capital Tech. As you can see, are very easy to do it. So now you can do it. So remember that you have to have an account and also you have to have your PIN on Capital Tech for doing this. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.